Hello, my friends. Welcome to my channel with a new video, a new day, and today's description. It is very easy and delicious, and all the children love it. We need 300 grams of butter. And the butter must be at room temperature, as you have seen. The butter must be stirred until it becomes soft and smooth. After it has become soft and smooth, we add 160 grams of Dios powdered sugar. Then we mix the sugar with the butter until it becomes smooth and soft, as you saw. After that, we add 2 eggs and vanilla and return to mixing again, as you can see. My friends, I was very happy when I made this recipe and I enjoyed a lot. After that, we use the electric mixer until all the ingredients are combined with each other. It is a great recipe. It is delicious and does not require many ingredients. My friends, I will be happy when you write to me in the comments what you think of my recipe. From which country do you watch me? After the mixture becomes smooth and pliable like cream, we add 400 grams of flour and 80 grams of cornstarch. After adding the flour and starch, the ingredients must be mixed together again. My friends, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like. I will be very happy because this will help me grow the channel. After the mixture is ready to work and is homogeneous, here we need a bag of pouring and a mold measuring 15 millimeters and divide the mixture into 2 halves. My friends, believe me, you will be surprised and happy after making this delicious recipe. Put the mixture in the molding bag. We begin to form the biscuits, as you can see. It is a 100% successful recipe. After completing the formation of the first part of the mixture, we prepare the second part. We need 15 grams of cocoa. My friends, a friend of mine visited me and ate some of the biscuits. He was very happy after putting in the cocoa. I formed the mixture. The second part of the biscuits. After that, the biscuits are ready for baking. They need a temperature of 160 degrees Celsius for 22 minutes. Here the biscuits are ready. The smell is very beautiful and the color is beautiful. I prefer to eat them with coffee. What do you prefer? Write to me in the comments. My friends, we are in the final stage. We put a little chocolate, as you saw, and put biscuits stacked on top of each other. They are delicious and look beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Write to me in the comments if you like this recipe. My friends, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thank you for watching. I wish you a happy day. See you in a new recipe and a new video. Bye.